Bolivia's economic turmoil casts shadow over 2025 elections. Bolivia, once hailed as one of the South America's fastest growing economic, now teeters on the brink of collapse. A crippling US dollar shortage, declining gas productions, and a skyrocketing debt level has pushed the nations into economic turmoil. The shrinking foreign reserve has driven inflation to dangerous height and sparked widespread fuel shortage, leaving citizens struggling to secure basic necessities. As the country battles this growing crisis, a failed military coup in the June has ignited further protests and strike, plunging the nation into a deeper uncertainty. Political tension amid economic meltdown. The fragile economic landscape is exacerbated by intensifying political power struggles within the ruling movement of force Socialism's party. President Luis Arce and the former President Evo Morales are engaged in a fierce battle for dominance as the 2025 election approach. The internal rift has effectively paralyzed the government, creeping into its ability to implement solutions to stave the economic decline. The resulting political instability has magnified the country's challenges, casting doubt over the Bolivia economic future. Resource dependency, Bolivia's long-standing dilemma. Bolivar's economic plight is deeply tied to its heavy reliance on natural resources, historically known as the major producers of cocaine in the 1980s and 1990s. Bolivia's government embarked on an ambiguous project to diversify its economy, pivoting towards the exploitations of its vast reserve of oil, gas, gold, tin, zinc, and lithium. Additionally, agriculture, particularly soybean productions, become a key pillar of the nation's economic. For the time this pivotal yielded positive results, government subsidies funded by foreign reserve help elevate living standard for many Bolivians. However, as those reserves dwindles, the economic began to unravel. The drastic reductions in gas productions combined with mounting debt has sent the country into the tailspin. Now Bolivia finds itself grappling with toxic combination of resources dependency, fiscal mismanagement, and political instability, each contributing to the current economic crisis. Outlook for the 2025 election uncertainty reason, the combination of economic collapse and political infighting has left Bolivia at a critical crossroads as the 2025 elections loom large, with inflation skyrocketing, essential good in short supply, and political protest become a near daily occurrence. The country's prospects appear black if the MAS party failed to uncify or produce visible solution to deepening crisis. Bolivia may face further economic decline and unrest. The answer of these questions will not only shape Bolivia's immediate future but also the broader trajectory of the South American politics. For now, the nation stands at the edge of knife, teetering between the recovery and ruin.